Hi there, this is Hugo with Crypto Stocks with Hugo. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead subscribe. Will help me a lot, okay? So today we're gonna talk about my 4 stocks that I'm buying right now. I was planning at first to buy one stock a week for 4 weeks, but due to the volatility of the market, I decided to just go ahead and buy all 4 together and diversify my portfolio better. Oh, you don't know my portfolio? I'll talk about that in 1 second. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm gonna talk about cryptocurrency and which coins I bought this morning because I think they're pretty cheap. So when everybody is afraid and are selling stocks like crazy, like Kevin did, just sold $20 million in stocks because he's gonna try to time the market. I do not try to time the market. I buy in the long run, and I believe if I believe in the company, like these 4 stocks that I'm buying, I think in 2, 3, 5, 10 years it's gonna be worth more than what it is right now. So if tomorrow goes down 5%, I know in 5 years I'm gonna be up 20%, and I'm just put a number out there. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy stock just because I'm telling you. Buy stock because you follow up with your financial advisor or you make your own decision, okay? So, who doesn't know, I have a YouTube portfolio that started a few weeks ago on the first week of January, and instead, some YouTubers that can put like $5,000-10,000 in one stocks. I'm not rich. I'm just starting this channel, so and many of you guys don't have $5,000 every week to put in stocks. So what I'm doing is I'm putting $100 every week, and I want to see in 52 weeks, in a year from now, or a year from a few weeks ago, how much I gain, and hopefully I beat the market. That's my goal. The stocks I'm buying this week, and I decided to buy all these 4 together, is Exxon, P&G, JP Morgan, and Visa. Those are the 4 that I start adding. Again, I was just planning to add 1 a week, but due to all this volatility and the Fed meetings come this week, I like, you know what, let me just buy it, and I'm pretty much settled with my portfolio. I might buy 1 or 2 more stocks, but I'm pretty much settled. So my portfolio, as you can see here, I'll put on the screen. We have Apple, that's tech. We have Tesla, that's tech and capital goods, but I think it's more tech than capital goods. NEO, that's capital goods. We have Nvidia, that's tech. So see, I was heavy in tech type thing. I do understand that Tesla and NEO, a lot of people will not qualify as tech, but Tesla, I think it's pretty tech, in my opinion. And then I have Coca-Cola, of course, my only green stock, that's on consumers, and AbbVie, that's healthcare. I still want to add 1 more healthcare, maybe next week. And now I'm buying Exxon. Exxon is energy, great company. P&G, consumer. Visa, that's miscellaneous / financial, and JP Morgan, that's financial. The reason I'm buying these 4 is because they're solid companies, and I believe they could, like, the stock price will raise. Maybe not in the next week, not in the next month, but in the long run, this stock's gonna be worth a lot more, especially P&G and Exxon, and as well JP Morgan, Visa. Let's go to my computer and I can show a little bit of the chart of each one of them, okay? Okay, so now we are on my computer, so let's see. First on CNBC, we have here inflation surge could push the Feds into more than 4 rate hikes this year. This is said by Goldman Sachs. I do believe, they're gonna do the first and the second and see how the market's going, but probably it's gonna have more than 4. Unfortunately, I was really optimistic and hope that would be only 2, but the way the economy it is, it probably gonna take a little longer. So let's start with the first stock here. Let's start with 1-day chart. P&G in the last day on Friday was up 0.38%. It's kind of like the same as Coca-Cola. They were doing good, and 1 year to date is up almost 23%. Pay a dividend yield at 2.14, and it has a revenue of about 21 billion, and it's up 6% year to date. Visa, let's go to 1 day chart as well. Like on Friday, actually, it lost 4%. Again, not worry, I'm this stock for a long run. In the last year, he's been has been up 2.46%. It pays a dividend yield of 0.73%. The financials on this company has a revenue of 6.5 billion and it being up 28% in the last year to year. Morgan Stanley, price of the stocks right now 98.86. Ticker symbol, I should tell about the ticker symbol of each one of them. So Procter Gamble is PNG, Visa is V, and Morgan Stanley is MS. So the last on Friday, Morgan Stanley actually lost almost 1%, but in the last year has gained 36.5%. The dividend yield is 2.83%, and that has a revenue of 14.5%, was 6.5% year to year up. Exxon is the last one we're gonna talk about. 1 day chart, the price right now is $72.17. The ticker symbol is XOM, and on Friday actually lost 1.5%, and in the last year has gained over 53%. What make me feel so sorry that I didn't start investing in Exxon last year. I have not. And now look at this dividend yield, 4.88, solid company. No, let's just look the 5 years. It did not do too good. It had this big dip here in 2020 and took a while. Remember when everything was closed, and that's really hurt the stock. But if you bought in 2020, you double your money. Revenue is 72.12 billion, and year to year has up to 57%. Wow. Don't you feel sorry when you don't invest in the stock that you should have invested last year? I agree. But that's it with the stock. So now we're gonna talk a little bit about crypto. So let me bring crypto, coin market cap. That's my goal for crypto. And today we're gonna talk a little bit Bitcoin. Of course, every crypto gets slammed the last month. Bitcoin's down in the last 7 days 21%, and the last 24 hours 5.5%. The price for Bitcoin right now 33,727. And whenever everybody is so worry about Bitcoin goes up and down. If I go, let's put I just want to show back in 2020. Where is it? 2020, March of 2020. Sorry, it took me a little longer. But Bitcoin it came upon a time that was less than $6,000. Was 5,300. If you had bought that time, right now you'd be like laughing about it. Has the week high of around $65,000, and now we are down to 33,000. It is scary, and my prediction for Bitcoin is it will go to the 20s. I don't think it's gonna go to the 10,000 anymore, but I think it will drop to the mid 20s, and I might buy up at that time. Ethereum, it's my go round, is 33% down the last 7 days and 12% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is going, just remember, whenever Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum go even lower. Whenever Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes higher. Not in price, but in percentage. So if Bitcoin drop 10%, Ethereum is gonna drop 14%. But if Bitcoin goes up 20%, Ethereum goes up 25%. And these are just numbers, not the exact number. It's just I'm throwing some to explain. I do like Ethereum. If it drops, I think it's gonna go all the way down to the 1500s. And if you go to the 1500s, I'll be adding to my portfolio. ADA is under $1 now. ADA was really hovering around $1.3, and the drop is 37% down the last 7 days, 13% in the last 24 hours. Solana, I did buy some Solana. As I was saying, I'm gonna say what I bought today. Solana is down 81%. It's down to $81, and it's down 42% in the last 7 days and 18% in the last 24 hours. And I want to go to crypto.com. I do like that stocks. I know some people might not agree, but it's down 27% in the last 7 days and 8.30% in the last 24 hours. I did buy a little bit and I staked those. And to finalize the crypto, let's talk about the Metaverse. Metaverse Mana, decentraland Mana, it's down 38% in the last 7 days and 11% in the last 24 hours, 1.84%. So a lot of people thought it was cheap to buy on the $2. Now it's below $2. And I'm really scratching my hand to maybe buy some. And guess what? I did buy a little bit. Axie Infinity is down to 44%. I did buy a little bit of Axie as well. And it's down 44% in the last 7 days and 15% in the last 24 hours. That sucks. And one of my good bets at Sandbox is down 43% in the last 7 days and almost 15% in the last 7 hours. So that's it for today. Those are my stocks that I'm buying. Those are my crypto that I'm buying. And I hope you have a great day and go out there and invest, buy the dip. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.